What's happening there, hat folks? G the Hat Guy here. We're gonna do something different today with this video, okay? We're gonna check out some summer hats for newbies, okay? Some summer hats for newbies, okay? So I'm going into the store here. A nice, beautiful spring summer day outside. So I figured we'll kind of do something different, okay, for this video. So you guys bear with me here. Going into the store. We're gonna check out, whatever it is that that we can and whatnot. Again, this is G the Hat Guy. You know how we do. And we're gonna look for the hats section here. See what we can. I got some shirts over here. See if we can find some hats. Whatnot is what I'm looking for specifically. Whatnot. Take a look here. See what we got. We're gonna take a look at some summer hats. Like I said, some summer hats for newbies. While we're at the store here, let's see what we can find. Yeah, usually they have their summer hats over here somewhere. Bear with me, folks. Trying to find the hats. Where are the hats at? They have the hats over here somewhere. I'm looking for them. Right now, I think I only see just one. This one on the mannequin here. It's the only one that I see. What hat is this? Take a look at this here. I think that's the only one that I see here. Yeah, this one. Yeah, this one of those paper store cheap hats actually, man. Which, for a newbie, not bad. You gotta start from somewhere, right? It's got the vents on there. This is like a poly. It's made out of like a poly material. It's got a cotton sweatband on the inside here. Whatnot. Beige color with a blue band. So I put that back on the mannequin. Let's kind of walk around and see what we can see. Usually they have like a stack of them somewhere around here, and that's what I'm looking for. Let's see. Take a look. See what we can find with the men. Try to find some hats here. Well, the unisex hats, whatnot. I don't know. Maybe let's stop carrying hats or something. Yeah, they've got the shoe section over there. As you can see. Let's take a stroll, folks. Hat folks. Let's come over here and check out some shoes over here. Let's see what kind of shoes they got. Yeah, they've got some Steve. Okay, well. Yeah, I'm not going to mention any brand names here, but yeah, some of these are pretty popular. You kind of see them out there in different places, whatnot. You see, I've got a ton of stuff like this in different colors already. Yeah, at least for like the last, about 6, 7, 8 years or so. I've been collecting stuff like this. Pretty popular brand. All white. It's got like the this one's kind of like a tan brown color or something. Yeah. There's stuff like this. These sneaker dress sneaker shoes, whatnot. Yeah, those have kind of been in trend since like the last 7, 8 years or so. They've been in trend now. They've got like different options out there. Yeah, I've got quite a bunch of stuff like this personally. You see, I'm a hat and a shoe guy. The two most popular accessories there, I'll say. Shoes definitely being number one. I'm a big, as far as clothes are concerned, I'm not really big. I have enough of those. you know, and I can coordinate my stuff with what I got already. So, yeah, I'm still looking for these hats now. It's kind of slow. Well, today is, you know, midweek, so not a lot of traffic in here, so that's good. If I'm going to record anything, you know, in the store, this is the time that I want to come out here. Let's see. Yeah, but I'm trying to, let's see. I'm still looking for the hats, folks. You'll bear with me here. It's got this denim. This is sort of like a denim combination right there on that one. Pretty sharp, right? Yeah, they've got this here. It's got sort of like a, well, like a olive leopard print, you know, type loafer is what this is. Pretty nice, very unique, you know, different. Yeah, very different. Definitely different. Right there. Yeah, definitely different. Oh, the hats are hats. You know, they've got the monks. You know, they've got the monk straps. Yeah, I've got different. I got a ton of shoes, man. Yeah, I'm talking about hats. You guys haven't even seen my personal shoe collection. Yeah, I got a ton of them, man. Different, a lot of brand new stuff in shoe boxes still that I haven't even worn. And then with the with that demic that we had, well, 2-3 years ago, that was going on, whatnot. You didn't get a chance to get out much, you know, so that even made it harder, you know. That kind of made it harder, you know, so yeah. Let's see, yeah, I'm still on the hunt for the hats. See, I'm kind of looking. They've got this purple jacket here. Pretty nice, right? And something different. You know, we got some different ones. We got the gray jack pattern and stuff. Okay. Still looking for the hats, man. Usually the hats are like right there. The hats are usually okay. Yeah, I think I see them now. I see them. They kind of, I don't know if they moved them around or what they're doing with the hats and stuff. What now? Yeah, they've got some summer hats for newbies over here. What now? Well, they've got some caps here, some branded baseball style caps and stuff. As you can see, got a bucket. You know, I'm a big bucket. I'm wearing the bucket hat right now, matter of fact. You know, they've got bucket hat here with the short brim. It's kind of different. Let's see what else they got. It's kind of different right there. Something different. It's definitely. Let's see what we got here. All right, how about yourself, man? I was looking for the hats, whatnot. I thought they didn't have none. I only saw that one on the.
We also have. So this is some of our hats. The other hats are also over there in the accessories. So this is just a couple of them. But the rest of them are.
Are those better hats down there, or? It's about the same.
I just would say they have a lot more
selection.
Other options.
Yeah,
other
is it men's hats down there though?
It has one.
Okay.
Men's, everything.
Where's it at? Close to the women's section?
By the jewelry, so it's literally against that.
Oh, okay.
You should look like you
Yeah.
go.
Well, they got hats for men over there
Yeah,
too.
of course.
Oh, okay. All right, cool.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, thanks, man. Okay. Yeah, well, let's see what they have. You know, they've got this, you know, beginner white brim here. You know, this is a beginner type white brim. This is made out of like it feels like, you know, either some kind of like a poly woven, you know, paper straw. mix of what this feels like. Wide brim. It's got about a 3-inch brim, maybe about 3 1/4 inch wide brim. The brim is pretty wide. Nice. You know, it looks stylish. You know. I mean, this. You know, I won't wear this really. You know, this is. You know, I wear the finer stuff like the hemp, the woven hemps and the panamas. You know, that's what I deal with. You know, but yeah, I mean, this is not bad. Something like this. You know, for a beginner, you know, hat person. It's got a teardrop top. You can see it's got the 2 pinches in the front there. It's got the binding on the edge, you know, the sewn edge, the binding there. I think it's got a cotton sweatband on the inside there. Yeah, it's got a cotton sweatband on the inside, as you can see there. Yeah, so I said this would be like a beginner type. You know, entry level for the newbies, you know, again for the newbies, definitely. You know, for the OGs and the pros, you know, we know the kind of hats that we wear, you know. And then we got something like this. This is poly, made out of like a poly blend, it looks like. Let's see here, again, it's got the center dent on there, 2 pinches in the front. You know, these are like your budget friendly type. You know, summer hats too. It's got that woven poly cotton sweatband on the inside there.
Yeah, thank you though.
You know, it's all polyester, polypropylene type, you know, mix, whatnot. You know, but nice color. Some very casual, you know, nothing fancy, very casual, you know, whatnot. Let's see what else we got here. Yeah, we got something like this. Again, for the entry level folks, you know, for the newbies. This is a paper straw here. You know, got the center dent, 2 pinches. Stingy brim, you know, about maybe about 1 inch, 3/4 brim. Curved up brim on this one. It's got that sweatband on the inside. This one's got a lining too on the inside as well. So yeah, again, something for the newbies, you know, most definitely for the newbies, for the hat newbies, whatnot. Yeah, as you can see, they've got a rack over here. This one here, it feels like a wool. It feels like a wool. It's hard, feels like a wool felt, whatnot. Teardrop, 2 pictures in the front. Okay, this is like a leftover winter, maybe winter clearance type or something. You know, it's not marked clearance or nothing, but yeah. You know, it's got a twisted, like a vinyl, you know, fake leather band on there, hat band. Yeah, this one too is about close to about a 3-inch brim size, I said, you know. Got that cotton sweatband on the inside. Got that bound edge flipped over and sewn, you see that? Yeah, so, yeah, we're gonna go down there and go check out some more hats. Yeah, they got this cap here that I like though. I'm a big cap person. I wear more caps than I do brims, you know. Yeah, this is like that, your Brando style. You know, your Greek fisherman cap or Marlon Brando style cap. You know, is what this is. Yeah, I like this. You know, I'm a big fan. You know, this is like cotton, you know, kind of like it feels like a poly cotton, you know, type blend, whatnot on this one. See that? Feels like a cotton poly blend mix on that one. I don't know what else they got here up on the top. They've got some other caps. Yeah, I think these are all left over. This feels like a wool blend, wool poly blend cap, you know, whatnot. Left over from the winter and stuff, you know. Yeah, that's what that is. Yeah. See what else they got here. Okay, well, let's go check out. See the other stuff. It said they've got some more hats down there somewhere. By the accessory section, he said. So let's go check that out, see what else they got. Again, kind of I'm on the hunt for you know, summer hats for newbies. Okay, that's the title of the video. Looking for summer hats for newbies. Kind of doing something different. You know, folks, go ahead and like the video. If you're enjoying the content so far, give it a thumbs up, share, like, comment. I even forgot because, again, kind of doing something different here. You know, so share, like, comment, subscribe to the channel. We got more awesome hat content coming your way. Again, it's G the Hat Guy. Check out the Facebook page. Facebook page is group, hat group. It's the Hatters Lounge by G the Hat Guy. Again, the Hatters Lounge by G the Hat Guy. I think these are all women's hats here. Yeah, these are more women's hats here. Yeah, the Hatters Lounge by G the Hat Guy. Search for it on Facebook. That's our hat group. Send me a request to join the group, and I'll add you to the group. Yeah, these are mostly women's, different types of women's